Hello, I'm Benjamin. I'm actually from the Interior Bureau, TIB. This is my home. I'm also the interior designer. Okay, so the whole theme of this design, right, is Scandinavian. The concept would be more on long-lasting, and I want it to be modern. That's why I designed this way. And I like a lot of like marble feel and also wooden feel lah. So wooden feel will always let the whole environment look very lasting. Yeah, this is one of the reasons why I designed this way. For me, myself, I like the Internet of Things, which is the smart home. For the smart feature itself, right, I like the voice control, and I'm kind of impressed lah in all the different type of the smart features. Like I can use my voice to control the aircon. I can even use my voice to control the lightings, even the colors, and also the ceiling fans. You all can find an interior designer like me. Maybe you all can go to the Interior Bureau, Renopedia, also my IG lah. Okay, my IG will be homeinterior.benjamin. Yeah, so you all can look for me. Yeah, I'm always here to assist you all.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.